Hi, I'm Jay, and a common question we get here is, there's water trickling down the drain, is that normal? Yes. Right now we have a bypass style humidifier, and this is true with all of the GeneralAire bypass style humidifiers that have a fixed pad in them and a solenoid valve on them, okay, as well as the fan powered units. If they have a solenoid valve on them, this is how they work. The humidistat says, hey, I'd like some moisture. It opens up the solenoid valve, and water goes through this little orifice right here to meter the amount of water that goes into the humidifier. Goes through the valve, goes up the top and into the water distribution tray, gets evenly distributed, runs through the pad, and whatever is not evaporated, so whatever's left, gets accumulated by this drain pan here and goes down the drain. So these are actually designed to be self-cleaning. And the way that it's done is a little bit more water than it can evaporate is put through the humidifier. So the plant has determined how much water can normally be evaporated. They've added more to that, and that amount of water then goes through the humidifier, and whatever does not get evaporated cleans the pad and gets accumulated again by this drain pan here, goes down the drain. So you'll see a little water trickling down here. That's normal whenever the humidifier is running. So if there's a ton of water flying down the drain, that's not normal. If there's no water going down the drain, or water is just dripping down the drain while the humidifier is running, there's a problem. But it is perfectly normal for water to be trickling down the drain when the unit is running. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.